How to remove an Apple device from your Apple account or iCloud account on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. And from the main settings page, tap on your Apple account at the top here. Then in here, we scroll down. And from the list here, tap on the Apple account or tap on the Apple device that you want to remove. Then tap on Remove from Account. Then tap on Removed. And that's it. That device has now been removed from my Apple account or from the iCloud account. It is useful if you need to quickly remove the device from your Apple account so that you can reset it and then you can reseal the device. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.